Hello traders, I am back with another series, but this time around I will be trading a $50,000 challenge account from the Funded Trader program. If you have been following me on YouTube and Instagram, you will know that I earlier logged my trading journey trading a $100,000 competition account, which we traded for some days and we lost the account due to some aggressive trading which I decided to do. But this time around I will be logging my trading journey trading a $50,000 challenge account courtesy of the Funded Trader program. You can see here is the email I've got after the purchase. Welcome to phase 1, and also here it says your Funded Trader order is now complete. Thanks for shopping with us. If I scroll down, you will see that the order is a total of $0. It means that I didn't pay any money for this account. Normally you would, and it cost $315. Actually, I was gifted this account by the CEO of the Funded Trader program, Angelo. So big thank you to the Funded Trader program for this opportunity. And here is another good news. They've also given me another free 50k challenge account, which I will give it away on YouTube. So if you are not following me, follow me there, subscribe and click the notification icon so that you will be notified each time I upload a new video. If you have visited the website of the Funded Trader program, you notice that they have different forms of challenges that you can partake in, and then when you pass those challenges, you pass phase 1 and phase 2, you will get funded, and then any profit you make, you will share it 80% and 20%. That's for the first month, and for the other months that you will be withdrawing, you will get to be paid 90% of your profit. So I'm on phase 1 and I've kicked off. I've traded for 2 days. I wasn't able to record those process, but right now I am back fully and I will record every single process from the trades I enter, from my stop loss and take profit, and I will post every single thing on YouTube. So here's my account. I've logged in. You can see it says 8 cap demo, and you can see here is the balance $50,000 US. Here is the balance $50,923. Like I told you, I traded for 2 days and I wasn't able to record this. I wasn't able to record during these 2 days, but thankfully I am less busy now and I will record every single thing and post right here. Here is one of the trades I took, a USD card, and you can see here is a resistance, a major resistance, and then when price pushed this resistance, it dropped and then it pulled back, it dropped again, pulled back, giving us this bearish resistance. And then back on the 30-minute time frame, you can see I sold at this resistance and my stop loss was above here. Price pushed down and then pushed back up and it almost hit my stop loss, but it didn't, and then it pushed downwards again and I closed exactly at around this point. My take profit was here actually, but it was Friday, so I didn't want to leave my trades to run over the weekend. Even if I wanted to, I would not be allowed to, because one of the rules for the account I am trading is not to trade during the weekends. If I don't close my trades on Friday, the Funded Trader will automatically close the trade. That was why I closed halfway, but then later on price pushed down before the forex market closed. So like I said, subscribe and click the notification icon so that you will be notified, because I will be giving away a $50,000 challenge account which is worth $315 US. See you soon on my upcoming videos.